Make a great choice today with the 2020 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better fuel economy, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, remote engine start, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, navigation system, power liftgate, backup camera. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.